Hello. In this video, we will see how to disassemble an Asus X53s. First, we will remove the battery. Here, we push to the right. And here, we dislodge and we can release our battery. Then we will remove the two screws here. We will pull the cover toward you and lift it. Here, we can see the hard drive. Here we have the Wi-Fi card. And here we have the memory module. Before removing the cables from the Wi-Fi card, I advise you to mark the black cable by a pen stroke to be sure when reassembling do not be mistaken. To remove the memory module, just spread the pins. The memory module rises, we can remove it. For the wireless card, simply remove the right screw. We remove antennas. Like this, and then, the card can be pulled out. For the HDD, remove the 4 screws in the corners. Once the screws are removed, you should move to the left the hard drive, then we have the strip that allows to remove it. Then we will remove all the screws from the bottom part. Once all the screws removed, we return the computer, we open it and we will remove the keyboard. With a flat tip. To do this, I will try to zoom in to make it more explicit. Here, you have a little pin that you just push with the screwdriver to pry the keyboard, like this. And do the same for all stops. As soon as we push it, we see the keyboard. Let's zoom out. As soon as we push it, we see that the keyboard back up. So we push all the pins. Do not force. There is a small dot of glue. We return. Here there is a ribbon cable. To undo the ribbon cable, it's quite simple. You have to gently push. We push, like this. It only remains to pull the ribbon cable and we can remove the keyboard. Then we will remove the screws that remain. Then we have a ribbon cable here. The aim is almost the same. We must not move forward but lift it up. We will lift it up like this. And then we can withdraw it. The best is to take the little blue hose. And if not, we delicately release it with the screwdriver. Same for the ribbon cable which is here. Same principle, we raise, we pull. So there, we remove the screw that holds the drive. To remove the drive, you can use a paper clip. To force opening, you press. And then, by pulling it, we have the drive that comes quietly. Once the player removed, we will remove the 3 screws on the side. Thanks to a plastic tool, you can unclip here, the top cover. We go slowly without forcing. We withdrew our top cover. Here we have the ribbon cable of the trackpad. If you have troubles on trackpad buttons, they are on the motherboard. So you will need to change the motherboard. We arrived here on the motherboard. Here you have the cooling system. Here you have a ribbon cable that holds the USB, so we do the same, we raise, we pull the ribbon cable. Then, we will remove the screws which have a small arrow. Those with a small arrow or screws holding the motherboard, I try to find one that is available. Here you have a small white arrow. Unscrew only those there, because if you unscrew the others, you unscrew the connectors. So there, we only unscrew the screws that are shown with a white arrow. You have one here, one here. One here. Then we will remove the video jack. There is a tape to undo. We slowly undo it. Because it is quite breakable. After, we will remove. To pull out the plug, just push on the sides, like this. Then we will remove the adhesive tape of the fan. We can withdraw our motherboard. No, I'm missing a screw here, which still holding. After, we must lift up slightly. We still have a screw that secures the fan. And another screw which hold the speaker, so we pull out these screws. We raise, we rotate without pulling because here, we have the sound wire. We can undo it by pulling the plug. Like this, and that's it. We come to the motherboard. On the motherboard, so here you have the video card, here the chipset, and here, the processor. For reassembly, we will proceed in the reverse way. 72. 0 hours 12 minutes and 26 seconds, 720 to 0 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds, 000. This video is now over, thank you for watching me. See you soon.